In today's video, Team Simple Tutorials will teach you how to install software and games from ISO image files without having to burn to CD, DVD or Blu-ray discs. By following this video, you can open, delete, see and extract content of an ISO image file. This video has specifically been made for Windows 7 users, but it's still useful for the users of Windows XP, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Windows 7 does not have a native image file processing tool. In simple words, you can't extract and mount ISO image files in Windows 7. You have no choice but to use third-party image file processing tools if you don't want to burn desired ISO image files to DVD discs. There are two ways to use data packed in ISO files without burning. First one is mounting. We can mount an ISO file to a virtual DVD drive to install software or games, watch videos, photos, and other purposes. Mounting is a very quick way. All you need to do is mount the ISO image file to virtual CD or DVD drive for software or games installation, and see other types of data. The second option is data extraction. You can extract data from ISO images. In addition to additional disk space, ISO image extraction may take a while, depending on the type and size of data. WinRar is a very popular file archive utility for Windows. It would be no exaggeration to say that it is installed on nearly all Windows-powered computers. Without burning to DVD, WinRar can be used to open, delete, see, and extract content of ISO image files. All you have to do is right-click on your desired ISO image and open it with WinRar. You can now delete and extract a single file or all files. To extract, click Extract button. Select the location where you want to copy or extract data of the ISO image. You can also drag and drop. We can also use an image file processing tool if you don't like to use WinRar or other such programs. There is a huge list of image file processing programs you can use on Windows 7 to mount ISO image files. We would like to suggest you to use PowerISO. Although PowerISO is a paid software, but its free trial is enough to meet your requirements. In free trial, you are not allowed to create or edit ISO images more than 300 megabytes. You may find the link in the comments section or video description to download PowerISO. After download, install PowerISO. Pay close attention while installation to avoid bloatware or unwanted programs. After install PowerISO, we now need to configure virtual drive. Right-click on an ISO image file. Hover your mouse over PowerISO drop-down menu. Hover your mouse over Set Number of Drives. Choose how many virtual drives do you need. You now need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restart, right-click on an ISO image file and mount a virtual drive. You can now install software, games, delete, copy your desired files, and whatever you want. The only downside is that you can only edit ISO images less than 300 megabytes. We do hope you find this video informative and useful. Please use the comments section to contact us if you run into any problem, or if we could not explain anything properly. You can also use the comments section for feedback and precious suggestions.
Please visit softfinds.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.